A little Fontaine pump lock deal. Probably the hardest part about this is tensioning the thing, because you see this is one solid cover, so you can't directly access the plug from the outside. So we have to kind of be a little creative with a tensioner here. This one was mangled from another project, but I decided to repurpose it, and it seems to work okay. I started by reaching and pushing these push pins down. Okay, nice click on that one. Push, 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 push. I'm gonna keep pushing this one. Might be tensioning too hard. Okay. Might have overset that guy. Okay, so let's try again. Okay. A little movement there. Pushing each of these. I don't want to push them too far because you can overset them. Okay, that was a big movement. Back to this one, back to this one. That one is binding. Okay. All right, that one's pushed in and springy. That's a good sign. Test those other four. Push the middle thing down just to check it. Now let me check this top right one. I know this is upside down. Okay, it's still binding. All right, that's pushed in and springy. That's a good sign. Now this one is, oh, all right, got some movement there. Let me push the middle. All right, now I'm gonna keep probing around this bottom one. All right, pushed in springy, push the center, this kind of right side. Okay. Those all seem springy, and then now I just have this middle thing that is giving me a little grief. So I'm gonna release tension. Get on that guy, and there we have it. I don't think this is really guttable. I don't want to rotate this too far. I'm not sure what locks back up. And I don't know if it's guttable, but anyway, that's a Fontaine pump lock. It just has these little bits that push. Check this out. Push these. See if I can see that very well from your vantage point. Little levers in, little. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but anyway, there's these little slide dealy bobs there that get pushed in. And anyway, there you have it.